Hello boys and girls, my name is Jozie and this is Blinky the monkey. And we're from Jozie's Face Painting and Entertaining. It's a special day today, isn't it, monkey? Do you know why, boys and girls? Yes, that's right. It's your birthday. And how old are you? Don't be silly, you're not 109 years old. Tell the boys and girls how old you are, Blinky. That's right, you're 5 years old today. What you doing? You dancing? Because you excited? Ah, he's excited. And because it's your birthday, Blinky, I got you a special treat. Look. No, you can't have it now, Blinky. Boys and girls, do you know what it is? Yes, that's right, it's a banana. Your favourite treat, isn't it, Blinky? But you can have it later for tea, okay? Okay, I'll put it, yes, Blinky, I'll put it down there. Girls and boys, can you help me? If you see Blinky go for the banana, Blinky, can you shout out, "Stop, Blinky"? Can you do that? Great, thank you. That would be great, because we know it's for tea time, don't we, Blinky? Good boy. I got you another little treat. Yes, would you like to see it? Cool. He loves balloons, boys and girls. Yes, we blow it up. Are you going to help me, Blinky? Okay, I'll blow it up and you hold on to it very tight. You got that? You want it bigger? 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 No, Blinky, that's big enough. Okay, you're going to hold it for me? Okay, hold it very tight, Blinky. Don't let it go. I'm going to blow up another one for you. He loves balloons, they're his favourite. Oops. Blinky, what's happened there? You let it go. Okay, you're going to hold on to this one very tight. Yes? Don't let it go though. There we go. Keep it nice and tight in your mouth. Let's get another one. Then we can put these up on the wall. Here we go. That's it, hold it very tight. Here we go. That's very good, Blinky. You're doing really well. You let them go. Oh, we won't be able to do that again, will we? That will take forever. Blinky. Thank you, boys and girls. Mustn't eat that till tea time. Okay. Blinky got some lovely birthday cards today, didn't you, Blinky? From all of your friends. Yes. Should we read this one to the boys and girls? Yes? Okay. Wow, look at that. You love dinosaurs, don't you, Blinky? It's a dinosaur at the front. To Blinky. Hope you have a happy birthday. Lots of love from Mole. Blinky, what are you doing? Oh, come on, Blinky. Stop being silly now. Blinky, I got you a present today. Would you like to see it? Look. It's a xylophone. You like xylophones, don't you, Blinky? Blinky. No. Banana later. Blinky, why did you do that? Did you want to play it? Okay then. You're going to use your hands? Your mouth? Okay. Hold on tight. There we go. You're going to show the boys and girls how well you play the xylophone. There we go. He's really good, boys and girls. Why did you do that for? Come on now, Blinky. You're being very silly. He's being really silly, isn't he, boys and girls? I think you're really excited because it's your birthday today, aren't you? Because it's your birthday, Blinky, would you like the boys and girls to sing happy birthday to you? Can you do that? Shall we sing happy birthday to Blinky? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Blinky. Happy birthday to you. Again? Blinky would like it again. Can you do that? Can we sing again to Blinky? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ah, that was nice, Blinky. We have to go now, boys and girls. Have you had a good time? That's good. Have you had a good birthday, Blinky? Yes. We're going to say goodbye to the boys and girls now. Yes, we have to, but we can come again another day and see the boys and girls. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.